for us at MakeMyTrip, being an online travel player, right? So there are two parts of the data collection, right? So one, we do a good amount of instrumentation of our mobile apps and the microservices at the back as well, which generate user clickstream events, etc., which we gather on our in-house built platform. And then we process huge amount of this data through in-house built tool which is called Feature Store, which then powers most of the experiences on both in-app into the funnel and then off-ramp communication as well, right? So marketers use this platform for doing communication to the clients over different channels, right? So be it on through notifications, email, SMS, WhatsApp, etc. Plus, right, so huge amount of work is done on experience optimization side of it, on app side, wherein we are trying to personalize the whole experience and utilizing the user behavior data in various formats, right? So, for example, right, so MakeMyTrip being an online travel player is positioned like a super app of travel. So it's not just one product which we are trying to sell, right? So we have different line of businesses, flights, hotels, holidays, ground transportation, which has bus, rail, cabs, etc. We try to stitch together all those user journeys at the back, right? So user has a need to go in a trip, right? We create a trip journey at the back in saying that looks like a graph wherein vertex is representing the destination of travel and then edge represents the product searched or browsed through or booked by that user. Within that graph, we figure out what are the missing edges. Those missing edges becomes the opportunity set for us to be able to cross-sell, upsell, and retarget that user itself. And then that data is getting utilized both on app when the user is browsing through our funnel experience itself, or when the user is coming back off ramp, right? So wherein we want to retarget and bring back that customer through our marketing channels itself, right? So we are leveraging, trying to consolidate on top of the unified feature store, which is built in-house primarily to enable both the experiences, which is on ramp when the person is browsing within the funnels, and then off ramp using communication through different channels, right? So that's the stack which we are leveraging primarily. Some of the challenges which we are facing right now, for example, within the funnel, the set of machine learning algorithms, the real estate is very different, right, on app, and the experience is very different. Now, if you need to orchestrate the similar experience on different marketing channels, right, so the user journey and the DAGs are very different, right? The key challenge for us right now is to how can we consolidate and unify across different channels and bring a true omni-channel experience to the user. Right now, like, so those two experiences are somewhat broken, and that's what we are working and improving on itself, right? So we leverage some of the marketing partners for our integrations to do the delivery part of it through those channels, etc. But the key part, which is like most of the machine learning algorithms, data science side of it, is done in-house, and that's what we are trying to leverage and bring upon better user and customer experiences back to the user itself. As I said, right, so personalization is more of an experience optimization problem, right, wherein you don't have much of a clue. You are trying constantly learning from those experiences, right? So experiments primarily, right? So you go ahead and do n number of experiments, try to learn user behavior, etc., and then go ahead and implement certain things, right? So constantly you are using not just the typical A/B experiments, you are also using multi-arm banded algorithm, contextual multi-arm banded algorithms to learn in real time, right? So and computing what reward functions, what we want to optimize for, right? And basis those decisions, which you are the data-driven decisions you are taking, you are improving the whole experience. You said like so 5 years. 5 years is a long horizon, but for us, right? So we want to give a very connected experience. Even so, travel is very experiential thing, right? So people want to get contextual information, not just when they are booking, right? So when they are into their journey, etc. So all their user states, right? So starting from the tip exploration to booking to post booking experience, we want to stitch together the whole experience across different needs through different products which we are offering, etc. And that's what we want to improve on and constantly deliver in terms of user experience to the user.